Hey everybody, how are you? Today is day 5. That's it, day 5 in my birthday giveaway. Okay, so we're counting down. It's almost my birthday, September 4th. So I started this giveaway on Sunday. So go back and look at all those giveaways because Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, they're all giveaways. Yep, everything that I make is going to be a giveaway. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of that and show you what today's giveaway is. Today's giveaway is, are you ready? I'm giving away, there'll be 3 winners in day 5. 3 winners. Yep, so there's gonna be 3 lucky winners. All right, everybody, you ready? Wait till you see this. I jumped on the minivan. Mini TNs. I thought I was going to be able to make 5 today, but it's 6:30 on, God, why can't I remember the dates anymore? Today's Tuesday the 28th. I started early this morning, but once again, life got in the way. So I got to make 3. So we have 3 lucky winners. We're going to have 3 lucky winners. So just remember, all of my winnings will be announced on my birthday, September 4th. There'll be a video for each win. Okay, everybody? So, oh my God, I'm so excited to share my birthday with all of you. Remember, 18 or older, a US resident, you have to be one of my subscribers, you have to leave a comment, and you gotta hit that thumbs up button on each one of the videos if you wanna be a winner in that video. Okay, that's all I'm asking for. And then in day 2, where I'm giving away the Dollar Tree stamps, if you'd like to do a VR, please feel free. Thank you, Shar, for doing one of those for me. I've actually got a couple of new subscribers, and I thank you so much for doing that. So let me show you these cute TNs. Oh my God, aren't they adorable? So I made the little dangle on this one. Isn't that adorable? And then I cut her out of the cover of the 8.5 by 11 paper pad. And then look at those little blings. Aren't they? Actually, they look like, yeah, little boobies. Okay, so you open it up and there's a little, oh my God, I can't think, dashboard. And then there are 3 little mini books. 1. Oh, and I put, this one says making magic happen, and then I said love life. Then the second one, sure, that's your girl. Isn't that your girl? And Tanya has that girl because Shaw gave her that girl. Count the happies. I love that. Then this is a cute pocket folder. Tell me that's not adorable. And I just put some cute little cut-aparts in it. Girl power. And then there's another one. And then that says, just be awesome. How cute. That's the first one. I'm loving these silly things. These are so much fun. This one was done a little, okay, this is done with the books from Walmart. And I only put 2 of them in here. So this one has, same thing, a little hanging tag. Isn't she beautiful? Loving that paper. Love that paper. Same thing, some beads. That's the dashboard on both sides. This one says, smile, life is beautiful, enjoy the ride, words of wisdom. Figure you could write down some words of wisdom. Isn't this cute? And then this one is the folder for here, and there's some more cut-aparts on each side. And then, best day ever. So that's this little TN. Loving this. And then the last one, I figured I would do a fall theme. I love this paper. Love that paper. Another tag. And some more bling. This one has 3 inserts. On this side I put Harvest pumpkins. And this is just the paper. I love fall. I love that paper. Isn't this cute? 3 inserts. And then this is the folder. And I put some little journaling spots, but I had these really cool foil, aren't they beautiful, leaves? So before I laminated the pocket, I glued the leaves down. Because on the other pockets, the paper was double-sided, and this wasn't. So I just wanted a little extra, and I thought they were so cute. And then that one says, Falling Leaves, Tradition, Pumpkin Pie, and Gather. And be thankful, and bless our home. Woo, excuse me. So on day 5's giveaway, which is today, that will be pulled on my birthday, September 4th, we are going to have 3 lucky winners. Aren't these adorable? 3 lucky winners. All right, everybody, keep watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and we're almost at my birthday. Tomorrow will be 1 week away. It's coming quick. Wonder what I'll make for tomorrow. All right, everybody, keep watching, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.